That's my sugar, Habibi. Come to Spain. Hola, buenas tardes, buenos dias mga antikels. Welcome back to the vloggers. Welcome back to our wonder. Ay naman dito. Naman day people day. Naulo ko ni Angkor. Welcome back to our Wanderlust life. Andito kami ngayon sa, anong tawag na restaurant here? Paddy. Kaya na may padding umbrella, so paddy na agad. We are here in this area in the Blackfenk. We have a nice view, pero maganda sana yan kung ang water is high up. And that's my
what?
That's my sponsor for today's lunch. That's my sugar, Habibi. Come to Spain. You know what, guys? I can say that he's Habibi. Look at this. That's what you call here, my love. You know, in Dubai, Habibi. Habibti. And we have our lunch.
Thank you.
Dankeschön.
Oh, ice cube for a beer.
You like, no?
Uy. Ayan. So, we have this. Oh, I like this one. Pero gusto ko yung chili nila. Naanadyo ko'y regret karon nga ang isa na ko ka-tripod, hindi ko siya dinala kasi sabi ko sobrang bulky. So, ngayon nasira yung camera ko. Hindi na siya He can't go up and down the head because it's broken, kapots. So, ay, pwede naman ako magamit actually ng wide
What
angle.
to say, not pit.
No, that's not, I don't think that's chili. That's just a sauce.
It's dangerous.
Murag halang siya da ay gibutangan lagi nilang sili oh. Bon appetit. So, we are going back to the hotel. This way we go. Before, there's a hammock here, but now it disappeared. They eat it, charis di. Tinanggal nila day. Ngut-ngut kay ako ang kamot mga antikels. It's very low tide. Sa Mandong. Today, nag-change ako sa aking arms. Nilagay ko sa kabila. Dito man yun sa kabila. Ngayon, nilipat ko siya dito. And nangut-ngut kayo siya. Antikel, grabe ka ngut-ngut. Ano ba sa English yung ngut-ngut? The view is here. And walking time. Balik lang tayo sa room. Hindi siguro mamaya maglabas tayo or something kung ano ba yung anuhin natin kay murag init pa man kaayo ron day. Init pa siya kaayo. Dili pa kaayo nindot i-walking. But actually, it's nice here. Then din naka-walking ako before doon, all the way to that island there. Highlander. Not bad. It's okay. Okay. Init lang yun siya, day. And then, yung water, it's very low pa. Low, low, low. So, ang nagustuhan namin dito in this area is yung rock. Rock, baby, rock! Charing. So, yan yung pinaka the best na viewpoint we have here. And everything is walking distance. Pero pag once ako gutom, day, dili dyan na siya pwede mag-walking. Kay, may stress ang inyong ante. Sige. Giingnan ko niya kagani, you're so lazy. Basta gutom gali ang hungry birds. Di dyan na siya pwede. Hala, uy, si kuya day, fried Kentucky. Kentucky fried. Kapoy, uy. I'm tired. Are you tired? Oh, you are so red na.
I'm red.
Yeah, you're so red.
Yeah, I have red shirt on.
Mura ra ba dyan siya magbutang og sunscreen? Di ra ba na siya mag-sunscreen? May hadlok na siya ng mga chemicals. And then, sige, expose og init. Uy, grabe ka. Ano tawag dyan, day? Low tide, high tide. Ano sada? Very ka low. Very ka low. Ali na low. Mga babae, mga auntie-kills ba kayo? Hindi sila takot sa init, day. And that's our favorite restaurant in the morning because they have a healthy breakfast and it's a nice view, of course. Compliment. Hala, si auntie, parang nakita ko lagi na siya sa Kuanday. Parang nakita ko yan siya sa Instagram. So, Dugi! Dugi! Ang iro ba kay? Dili din na sila maano, no? Di na madaot ilang Kuanday, ilang hair pag maligo silang dagat. Ano yung island, oh? It's very low. Sig, balik-balik, sirang plaka. Sabi niya sa akin kanina, he said, I don't have enough walk, so I have to walk. Oh, so now you can buy me ice cream. You go there and then come back and count how many walk you have.
Yeah, I don't have enough.
Oh, then you go.
2,900 steps.
Don't worry, I will pay the ice cream.
No,
Sige na, my love. You don't want to eat, yeah? Actually, mga auntie girls, I have so many money. I have so many money. I can show you. Do you think I don't have money? I have money, oy. Kamu ba? You always think I don't have money. You always bash me. Ay, sig bash din ha, kay. Oh, sige na ka. You buy me ice cream. Same yesterday, ha? I wait
Over
here.
there?
Yeah, they have in the restaurant.
but
Maybe.
That was no good. The one you gave me,
You don't like that one?
it's too sweet.
Or didn't find someone. And then the price, that one yesterday is 70 baht. Maybe they will charge you times so because you're a foreigner. Ay, gusto kong magpalipad ng drone, day. Gusto kong mag-practice sa drone. Nice, there. Oh, peaceful na. Nag-sleeping beauty sila. Relax and chill. Parang may fire doon. Nice. That's our hotel here.
You wear